Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase a PST file on Outlook. So let's start the video. So I am using 2019 version of Outlook. Now we have to go to search option and we have to search Registry Editor. Here we have to click H key current user. So here we have to find software. So you have to click on software. Now we have to find Microsoft. You have to click on it. So let's find Microsoft and click on it. Now here we have to find Office. Office we have to go to 16.0. Then we have to go to Outlook. In Outlook we have to right click on it and we have to make a new key named PST. Now you have to right click on PST, then you have to click new. Then you have to click D word 32 bit. We have to make another D word 32 bit. Now here we have to rename this. One will be max large file size. Another will be one large file size. Now we have to give the value of it. So max large file will be 100 GB. So it will be decimal value and we have to calculate it. Now we have to go to the calculator and we have to find the value of 100 GB. So we can find it 102400. So you have to give it here. Now you have to find the one large file size. It will be 95 GB. So you have to calculate it. So we have to go to the calculator. 95 into 1024. So you have to give this value 97280 and it will be decimal value. So as you can see, it is done. The file size has now increased to 100 GB. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.